what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and fellas in the back, I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another home update. And as you can see, y'all, we have drywall. I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So they said they were doing the drywall on the 28th. And they kept their promise because we got drywall. Let me give y'all a little walkthrough. Last time we did the walkthrough, we just had the framing done. So yeah, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'll leave the links down below of all the home update videos that I have done so far, so you can catch up to speed. So check those out. But yeah, let's get into this walkthrough. Coming off of the garage, let me light it up some. Right here, we'll have the bathroom. We'll have the sink here with the vanity and the toilet. And then the laundry room will be right here. The laundry room is gonna be small, kind of sucks, but we'll make it work. We'll do like a little, the shelf probably right here or something like that. And yeah, I may do a video on how we're gonna do the laundry room, but that's that. And right here is gonna be the kitchen. So the refrigerator will be right here, then it'll be like the stove, and then the sink, and then, you know, the cabinets, and we got granite countertops, and then the island will be right here. So let me see if I can give y'all like a visual. So the island will be right here in the middle, sink right here, boom, stove and cabinets, boom, refrigerator, boom. Got it? Then it's the kitchen window. And then this is like the backyard or whatever. We have a lot of backyard space. We had to pay extra for that, which was an upgrade, which I let y'all know about that in the upgrades video. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave that link down below as well. But yeah, that'll be our backyard space where you can see it off of the kitchen where you're washing dishes or whatever. Now child, I hate washing dishes, but yeah, that's besides the point. We have two pantries here. They are pretty big. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to do the pantry organization with you guys and like order some stuff off of Amazon, you know, like the clear glasses, you know, where you just make it look aesthetically pleasing. So we got two pantries for that, boo. Hype about that. So yeah, pantries. I probably put the appliances in this one and then put like, you know, the food or whatever and stuff in that. So that is the kitchen. This is like the patio door. We're gonna have to get a deck made. That's actually the first step, is to get a deck, because we did not go with the deck that they had because it was really small and it was overpriced. So we're gonna get that done ourselves. So moving along, we have the family room with the fireplace. And you know what? It does look bigger with the drywall. So if you are scared right now, if your house in the stage where it's just framing and you feel like the house feels small, trust me, when the drywall gets in, the pre-drywall, it'll look bigger because guys, it feels bigger already. No lie. So yeah, back to this fireplace right here. I'm really thinking about doing the TV here with maybe like a little entertainment center or like some shelves or something from IKEA. I'm gonna really hook it up. We're gonna do some decor videos, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, thinking about doing like some shelves or whatever with some really cute, aesthetically pleasing decor. Long drapes. Yep, so that'll be the family room. We already have some furniture picked out. I'm gonna, like I said, do a vlog and show you guys the furniture pieces that we already have. But let me keep going with the tour. We have the flex room right here. I'm planning on putting a like table, dining room table in here with like a mirror there. And then like, I don't know, it's gonna be really cute. We're gonna put it all together. But this is the flex room. Really nice, looks bigger now since the pre-drywall is up. It's so crazy. We already have like, you know, that's where the socket's gonna be for the light switch. And then this is the front door. They're gonna give us like a chandelier or whatever, but I'm definitely gonna change out all the light fixtures. I already have some in my cart on Home Depot. If you're looking for light fixtures, definitely go to Home Depot or Lowe's. They have them, boo. This will be the basement. I don't know if the basement is done, so I'm just gonna not go down there. And I don't wanna go down there by myself anyways. So I'm gonna take y'all upstairs. So let's see if they have the drywall and all that upstairs. Let's go up there.
Oh my gosh, it's like I can't see anything. It's crazy. Okay, so we got the stairs and stuff still going up.
So we have a little window here where you will see the, you know, chandelier be right here, front window. And then we have one room here. This is probably going to be the guest bedroom because I like this window and I think the guests should get this window. It's really cute. I let the guests have that one. But yeah, so this room will be like the guest room or whatever. And they have like a little closet here. Not really big, but it'll do. They ain't gonna be staying that long, child. So that'll be a closet for them. And yeah, it's a pretty nice size. And then you have another room here, which will be my beauty room slash film room. And we have like a little closet here. I'll probably put like my lights and all that. I cannot wait to decorate this room with you guys. So excited about that. I have a couple of different vibes I want to have in here. Like each wall I want to be different. When we record a video, let me put my face on here. When we record a video, it's gonna be like a different theme. You know what I'm saying? So each wall gonna be looking different. So yeah, I'm looking dark in here. So let me get my face off. Switch right there. Then you come right off of here and we got the bathroom. They have a little tub there. The vanity will go there with the sink. And then I'm probably gonna do this bathroom like a boho, boohoo, whatever you wanna call it, type of bathroom. Or maybe a black and white type of bathroom. I don't know yet, we'll see. Play around with it, get some more tips off Pinterest or something. This will be like a little closet where we put our towels and stuff. You guys know that. This is the master suite. Let me turn my brightness down a little bit. There we go. So we have our bedroom here. The closet is there. That's gonna be the walk-in closet over here. This will be just a closet for me. Jackie will have to make do with the basement or something. He got his man cave, child. Don't touch my closet. Okay, so yeah, pretty large wall here. May do a TV there or the bed there. Don't know yet. We're gonna play with it as always, like I said. But this is a pretty nice room. You can't really get the size off of camera, but it's pretty big. And then we'll have the bathroom here, which was one of the upgrades, like I told you guys. Little rag towel, little closet here. It's pretty big actually. And then we have the shower here. We're gonna do like a glass door, but we're gonna have to get that ourselves. They don't do that. You can get you a glass shower door at Home Depot or something for probably cheaper, boo. I'm gonna put y'all on. Just stay tuned. Hit that like button and subscribe so you can be updated. But anyway, we have the tub here. And we have like this little area where I'm gonna put like tiles and like, you know, cute little flowers or something. Then we have like the window here. Yep, and then we'll have like the toilet there, and then we'll have the his and her sinks here. So yeah, that's pretty good, like that, liking that. Okay, house. Y'all understood what was supposed to be done today. Okay, so that is pretty much what is up to date, y'all, in the house. Ooh, let me turn my brightness up. I'm walking downstairs, honey. Pretty soon we're gonna be walking downstairs to see what Jackie cooking, because y'all know I don't cook. That pretty much wraps up this home update vlog. Thank y'all so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next home update vlog. Bye. Mwah.